Having metacognitive skills and strategies, and metacognition in general, have several benefits. We are going to have a look at 3 such benefits in this video. A wider range of strategies to approach and solve problems. Awareness of strengths and weaknesses. And improved learning outcomes. If students have more and more varied strategies, they are more likely to find one that will help them solve a problem. With the help of these improved strategies, students are more likely to become independent thinkers. They can target these strategies to improve learning, and they can tackle new tasks with more confidence. When students are aware of their strengths and weaknesses, it will improve their willingness and ability to learn new things, as they know what needs to be done. They can improve their reflective thinking and planning, monitoring and evaluating strategies, and on the way they can learn to better self-regulate their cognition, their emotions and their behavior. As a result, students will have better outcomes and higher achievement. Improved strategy use can translate to other subject areas, but it doesn't necessarily happen. Subject-specific guidance and scaffolding therefore are necessary. Expecting the students to transfer their metacognitive knowledge across domains without help is unlikely to happen. But with time and more strategies, students will learn to ask metacognitive questions and regulate their learning. An extra benefit of metacognition is its low cost. It takes only time and consistent teaching to have more metacognitively skilled students with all the benefits explained before. Do you want to know more? Come back for other episodes of brief and simple explanations of metacognition.